A speaker designed for adventure? Yes, please. Meet the Burst-2, a rugged, powerful, and stylish speaker built to handle anything you throw at it. This speaker is the result of a collaboration with Control RC, an industrial designer inspired by mountain biking and nature. It's got a rugged yet vibrant look designed to be the ultimate outdoor companion. And thanks to its IPX5 rating, it's dust and splash resistant, built to handle any weather. Sound-wise, the Burst-2 is a powerhouse with 20 watts RMS, dual 2.25-inch subwoofers, and a 10-hour battery life. This speaker is all energy. Connecting? Couldn't be easier. It's got wireless connectivity and Stromberg Connect, so you can pair it with another Burst-2 or Spark for stereo sound. With vibrant audio rhythmic light, it adds the perfect touch style to any setting. It also includes a 3.5mm aux input and charges via USB-C, so you're always ready to go. Top, stylish, and built for adventure, if you need a speaker that can keep up with you, the Stromberg Burst-2 is the one.
Stromberg, the sound of people.